especially in classics. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle two-door hardtop. Now when I say custom, take a look at how smooth the side of this is. Shaved door handles, marker lights removed, drip rails, and then put on some glossy Jaguar blue paint, accented by that flat black hood, headlight surrounds, grille. You're also going to notice the tucked bumper up here, that chin spoiler. Very custom look to this car. 5.7 liter underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, HEI ignition, headers, aluminum radiator. We'll get into that in a little bit when we pop it open, let you hear it run. Check out that engine bay. But first, if you want to see the still pictures, so you can take a look underneath this car. Interior engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. 700 R4 automatic with overdrive paired up with that 5.7 liters. A little more modern drivetrain. Get this one out, take it down the road. Signature Series big brake system on this one also. As you can see, slotted and drilled rotors. Riddler 17-inch wheels. Also in that flat black, highlighting the grille, headlight surrounds, and hood. Nice combination. And take a look at the black vinyl interior. Buckets, of course, center console, horseshoe shifter, retro sound style radio. Some of the other things that have been done to this car does have a new heater core, new thermostat, some other related coolant items, and as well as the hose, radiator hose, all new fluids. When you take a look underneath this car, you're going to see it does have a new fuel tank and fuel lines, sending unit. You're also going to see pipes, 2.5 stainless steel exhaust system underneath there, Hotchkiss sway bars. And also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you also notice, the deck lid has been cleaned up, keyhole removed. There is a button in the glove box that will pop the trunk. There's also key fobs that will pop both driver's and passenger door. And we're going to do that here in just a second. Let's check out the interior, take a little closer look at the interior, start it up, let you hear it run. Now, in the still pictures, I will also take a picture of some of the things I'm highlighting that have been done to this car recently, and so you can see it in there too in case I'm missing any of it. And again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And once again, phone number 507-386-1726. You can see that paint has a nice shine to it. Really pops on this car. All right, here we go. Now, as far as the driver's door, see if I can do this holding the camera and everything else. There, pop open for us. There we go. And door panels. Good shape. Take a look at the bucket seats. And there's probably over 100 pictures of this car online from every angle also, so in with the still pictures. You can take your time, look through these things. All right. Did have the wipers working, radio works. Also notice this. I got a clock working in here. Don't always see that. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Hood door is hooked up to the vacuum, so that is working. Get on the throttle out on the road, it is going to open up. Retro sound radio working. Alright, let this warm up just a tad. Closer look at the seats. Appear to be free of rips, tears, and holes. Headliner, all good there also. All right, slip around to the back. Deep little throaty rumble out of that. All right, I'm gonna slip up to the front here. I gotta get the hood pins out. Let's take a look underneath the hood.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's a peek underneath the hood. Again, 5.7 liter. Power steering, power brakes, Suda headers, HEI ignition, Edelbrock intake. Nice painted Chevy orange valve covers. Edelbrock carb, Optima battery, aluminum radiator, dual cooling fans, electric fans. Nice setup underneath here. Don't be afraid to open the hood at a car show with this one, any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins. And I doubt you're going to see one just like it. Nice custom look in this 1970 Chevelle two-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It'll take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. First, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.